Back at BIR, getting the cars unloaded. It's always fun coming out to the track. It's a little rainy today. Hopefully that goes away soon. And we can go out and start doing some testing. Friday, the race is Saturday and Sunday. Follow us along. Check it out.
Oh, you got your NHRA competition license.
Look at that.
Pretty cool.
Now when you get your license, they send you an actual physical hard card. Put that puppy in your wallet and show all your buddies. Big flex. Let's wedge him in.
Water had to get underneath them.
Who's on their shoe? Josh.
Not the guy with the shoe off.
What
The
happened?
shoe is wet as hell.
Well, what'd you do that for?
It's wet. All these puddles.
Don't go water skipping in your four-wheeler. I like that.
Look at what he's wanting to do. Wait, he wants to go with your logo? No background? What's that for?
He doesn't know.
You gonna sign up for the E3 finals?
No.
You're not?
Is that? Do I? No.
Serious?
I never did, no.
Did you race 2 races?
Just one.
If you sign up for the races, you can sign up for the E2 finals. But I don't want you on my team if you suck. So you need 2 entries. You need one for Saturday, one for Sunday, and one for licensing
Okay.
or testing.
Filling out our tech cards at the wheelie bar. This is the best place to do it.
So you should be able to figure this part out, dude. There's neck collars, your Simpson, you know, your helmet is whatever you got,
Race quip.
You know, your jacket, pants are Pro 1, your arm restraints, you're not using them, your gloves are Pro 1, footwear, you're not using footwear, and your helmet.
Okay. Alright, if this has never been explained to you, when you get to the track, get your car unloaded, then you come over and you swing, so parking's over yonder, then you come over here and you go to tech, and you have the tech guys, you know, check out all your safety gear, check out all your car, make sure everything's ready to go so you can race as safe as possible. And if you don't know something, they are great for answering questions. It's honestly, it's more intimidating than you think, but once you actually get through it and have these guys help you out, it's wonderful.
It was.
Did you forget how to
I
drive?
haven't ran it wide open since probably 2020.
Okay, fair enough.
So I let you know, but I
What
should
about
know
the starting line?
Huh?
What about the starting line?
Yeah, no, I was the top.
I made one licensing pass. It was a moderate pass. They didn't have the right tree on for me, so that was kind of screwed up. But I still made the pass anyway. Went down, lifted at the 8th. Now I'm up here. I'm gonna do two full passes, and then I'll have my super gas license. So just 2 more kind of, I don't know what they call it. There's a term for it, but since I got my super comp license a couple weeks ago, I won't have to make all full 6 passes. They kind of like piggyback it. I'm gonna make that term up, but that's what it's called. So sitting in the car getting ready for my second licensing pass. It's a good time to just look around, make sure everything's good. Got all your safety gear on, got everything with you. Tires are checked. Is the GoPro on? Which it isn't yet, and I'm gonna have to click that on here in a second. Hopefully I don't forget in the next 45 seconds. start placing a bet to see who can have the better light between the two. I said 1,000, but I guess it's 20.
All right. Best light, $20.
Super Pro time trial number 1.
Maybe you